Hey guys, it's Mike again. So this is just a continuation of what I was doing last night. Tearing these caddies apart. As you can see, let's see. Can you guys tell I got the dropsies this week? So I still got this guy to take off before this is clean aluminum. It's a real pain. Let's see if I can show you what I'm going through here. So, got our caddy. Luckily, it's only got 2 screws. Yes, I growl at my work. Alright. So once he's off, that pops off. Okay, and I still got to clean this up because it's a nice piece of aluminum and then a piece of stainless here. But take this guy, these are, pull this out. This is the light, runs from the front all the way to the back there, and then peel this sticker off. Then you got 2 screws running into 2 nuts here, and I've tried, just holding my finger on it while I take the screw on the other side, but they've put some kind of glue in there and makes that impossible. I actually got to use a pair of pliers on it with a screwdriver on the other side. So the real reason for this video is I wanted you guys to check out the Urban Miner. He makes some really good videos, and I think you guys will enjoy the content he has. One of the videos, if I remember right, it said I think it's how we do e-waste in Canada. That's a pretty nice video. He walks you through on how to process different things, like processing CPUs without nitric. So if you get a chance, just jump over, check out the Urban Miner. And he's got a Facebook page, and I'll try and leave the links down below where you can find him at. So I'm going to get back to work here. Wife's got biscuits and gravy on upstairs, so it's almost time to go have breakfast. I'll catch you guys later. Mike out.